Magbaan ako ba?
Desiderata! Desiderata! With all persons, speak your truth quietly and clearly, and listen to others. Even to the dull and the ignorant, they too have their stories. Avoid now the repressive persons. They are vexatious to the spirit. If me, compare yourself with others, you may become vain or bitter. For always there will be greater and lesser persons than yourself. Enjoy your achievements as well as your plans. Be interested in your own careers, however humble. It is a real possession in the changing fortunes of time. Exercise caution in your business affairs, for the world is full of trickery.
But that is not likely to what virtue there is. Many persons die for high ideals, and
Everywhere life is full of heroism.
Be yourself,
Especially do not pay affection. Leader disciple of God. For in the face of all
it is as your angels as grass.
they are leading the counsel of the years, gracefully surrendering the things of youth. Murder strength of spirit, shield in sudden misfortunes. But do not
Hindi ka lang mag-videos ka lang, papapahiyata ba? Mag-videos ka lang.
many fears are
Papapahiyata. Para pahiya kami.
beyond the wholesome